Hi, this is Zachary Ball with Omnis Technologies, continuing our series on the NIST CMMC audits. Today we're going to be covering level 3. Last video was about level 2. So continuing with that, level 3 consists of 130 controls in 17 categories. We're basically adding 2 categories and 58 controls from level 2. So remember, building level 3 builds off of level 2. We'll be posting an Excel spreadsheet with all the categories and all the controls broken down by which level. It's all color coded. Now, just on a side note, the 2 biggest increases in controls in the categories from the previous are access control and system communication and protection. Those had the most new controls added from level 2 to level 3. But covering what the categories are, we have access control, identification authentication, media protection, physical protection, system communication protection, system information and integrity, awareness and training, audit and accountability, security assessment, configuration management, incident response, maintenance, personal security, recovery, and risk management. The 2 new categories for level 3 that we're going to be covering here are asset management. So asset management is establishing procedures for handling CUI. CUI is information that is important, that is not necessarily top secret. Procedures should include how to categorize data as CUI and how to provide enforcement of access control to CUI. Now that includes physically and digitally. The next category is situational awareness. Situational awareness is a good one. This is basically making yourself knowledgeable to new types of threats. So to enhance situational awareness activities within the organization, you should really look at external sources, maybe some security websites, forums, or things like that. Maybe there's possibly a new strain of ransomware that has a certain exploit. So basically what you're doing is you're subscribing yourself to certain third parties that are putting out bulletins about what new threats are coming out. So the information you review, you want to make sure if it applies to your organization, it may not necessarily. So those are the 2 new categories, asset management and situational awareness. So if you have any questions, please contact us at Omnis Tech. That's tech support at omnistech.com or info@omnistech.com.